Hello everyone. Today we'll delve into two fundamental building blocks of figurative language, simile and metaphor. Often confused, these devices are essential tools for writers to create vivid imagery and profound comparisons. Simile. A simile is a comparison between two unlike things using like or as. It's a gentle nudge, a subtle suggestion that one thing is similar to another. For instance, her eyes are like stars is a classic example. The comparison is clear, yet softened by the use of like. Similes are often used to create a sense of familiarity or to evoke a special image. Metaphor. Unlike simile, a metaphor is a bolder assertion. It directly equates one thing to another without using like or as. When we say she is a rose, we are directly comparing her to a flower, emphasizing her beauty and delicacy. Metaphors can be more powerful and evocative than similes, as they force the reader to make a deeper connection between the two elements. Simile versus metaphor, a deeper look. While simile and metaphor might seem similar, their impact differs significantly. Similes offer a gentle nudge, inviting the reader to make the connection. Metaphors, on the other hand, demand a leap of imagination. Let us consider these examples. In simile, we can say, he is as brave as a lion. But in metaphor, we would mean the same, but we have to say, he is a lion in battle. Both these sentences convey bravery, but the metaphor is more forceful and direct. Both simile and metaphor are indispensable tools in a writer's arsenal. By understanding the nuances between them, you can effectively use these devices to enhance your writing. Remember, similes offer a gentle comparison, while metaphors make a bold statement.